What is up, everybody? I'm here at Overland Expo West, and we're going to do a van tour here with Jeremy, and he is with Papago. Did I say Papago?
Papago.
Papago. I got it right because I almost called it Papago, but it's Papago.
Yes.
All right, he's going to
accentuate the A.
Very much so. We're going to get a full, in-depth tour of the van that's behind us. We're going to find out everything. Hopefully, we can get price out of him. Let's find out.
What's the most important thing to you? And he said, I need to be able to work out of it. So we started with a nice sized desk area, and then we kind of built the van around it. If I slam the door shut and you could hear how soundproof this thing is over camera.
Look at that, huh?
Obviously, you got to have your rubber ducky. So I'm Jeremy. I work for Papago Vans, sales manager. We're out of Mesa, Arizona. Website www.papagovans.com. P-A-P-A-G-O.
It's up in your hat, man.
Vans.
It's right there in your hat.
Just look at the hat and you'll see.
And I didn't know this. Apparently, you've got like over 100 vans on the road.
We have about 350 vans on the road.
Is that all?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. We do about roughly anywhere between 100 to 120 a year. Every single one of them custom, fully custom. Customer gets to choose their layout. They get to choose their colors, materials, aesthetics.
It's so hard for us to talk about price. I kind of joked at it at the beginning, and that is because you are fully custom, which means your price ranges from X to Y, which
Correct.
is, you want to give those numbers, maybe,
Yeah,
like what they range is?
Anywhere between about 150 to 220 would be our bread and butter. Van included.
Okay.
Yep.
I like to justify that. Obviously, you're doing full stuff on the outside, so maybe tell us what about this van that we're showing right now. Do you have a name for this one?
No, we don't have a name for it yet.
Okay, it's a show van.
It is a show van. So we have different tiers in our company, different build tiers. This would be considered our top tier, which is the El Capitan.
So this is around the 220 range?
This one, fully built out, the way it looks right now, would be about 205.
What did you do in suspension-wise?
Sure, suspension. This one has the Agile with the Fox shocks.
Cool.
We've since switched to the Van Compass 4.3 with the Falcon shocks.
Okay. Why the switch, if you don't mind asking?
Research.
Okay. Hey, that's fair.
They seem to do a lot better in the market. People request those a lot more than they do Agile. So we listened to the customer and we switched them. We're still charging the same price for it though. So even though they're more expensive.
Do you make your own roof racks, or is that something you buy as purchase?
We don't make our own roof racks. We partner with Flatline.
Oh yeah, great company.
Yeah, so this is Flatline. It's the Safari roof rack.
Oh no, that's actually not the Flatline bumper.
Yeah, we do some Frankenstein stuff. So
that's all good.
We got Flatline roof rack. We got the CA Tune front bumper.
CA Tune, thank you.
Yep, with the Warn winch in front. This particular customer is friendly with the guys over at Diode Dynamics, so all lights on this van are diode.
So this is a 170 Sprinter, I'm guessing 2022-ish, maybe somewhere in there?
22 and a half.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, talking about feet long, right?
I was actually talking about year.
Year? 22, it's a year 22 and a half, yeah. No, it's a 24.
It's a 2024
yeah, it's a 2024
all-wheel drive?
all-wheel drive. Got it from Mercedes-Benz in North Scottsdale, who we partner with for all our vans. We're doing the 265 Nitto Grappler tires.
On the
Method wheels.
Yeah,
so we use Method and Black Rhino primarily.
I mean, they're really the only wheels that can handle the weight, and like people don't understand that sometimes when they talk about wheels.
Yep.
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
It's getting a little windy. Do you mind if we step inside?
Yeah, let's step inside. Sorry, we got customers in and out. We're at the expo here, so.
I mean, I could spin around and show everybody. It's a Sunday. It's a beautiful day, and I just wanted to thank Jeremy for allowing me to do this.
Of course.
Well, you want to start in the back?
Yeah, let's start in the back. Oh, so I guess on the back we'll talk about the Alvans Monster Box.
Yeah.
So Alvans Monster Box on the B2 bike carrier.
Yep.
And then we got the one-up bike tray with it on top. We are starting to move a lot into the Illumines power bike rack too.
Yeah, the one that drops down.
The one that drops down as well.
I think it's pretty rad.
It's pretty awesome. It's
a little pricey as well.
A little pricey, but for a big time biker, it probably makes a lot more sense. Yeah. It's worth the investment. All right, so under here we got the Flatline slide out trays.
Okay.
500-pound capacity on the trays. And here on this side, we got,
I'm trying to get out of the wind.
yeah, we got 33 gallons of water. We do hydronic heating as well, but for this guy, we just did a Bosch water heater.
Okay.
Kept it simple.
Which hydronic system do you typically like to go with?
We really like the Rixons.
Yeah, I like them too. So you can go kind of any which way. You can do an S-bar heater. You could do. I'm assuming that's what this one has.
This one has just a standard S-bar.
Yeah, the S-bar with the 4-gallon, Bosch.
Yep.
Great system. Not a
It's
bad
good.
thing.
It's tried and true. It's the most economical way to go about it.
Yeah, it's cheapest.
It's the cheapest, and it gets the job done for sure. So we have 800 amp hours of Battleborn.
Yeah, great.
Lithium.
Is it the Game Changers or?
Yes.
Okay.
It is. Yep. So in there we use Victron for all the other components.
Beautiful.
Nice little electrical compartment back there, and then obviously we got the outdoor shower here for
Gotta have it.
quick connect, baby.
Absolutely. Yeah. Let's close this up and let's see if we can sneak
Let's
inside.
hop. I think we're good now, so let's hop inside.
Look at this, huh? Oh, of course you're gonna put your. Is that your channel?
Shameless plug.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is kind of a virtual drone fly through of our shop.
Okay.
Kind of shows you what we're doing. We're typically working on about 18 vans at a time.
I kind of want that screen. Look at that thing. That thing's
awesome.
rad.
Yeah.
So
this customer lays in bed and he'll just take this and full on switch it around, and he's got a massive widescreen TV.
That's pretty cool. I mean, with the curve on it too.
Yep. And then he works here full time. So
Oh, he works for you.
not for us. No.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
saying he works on this.
He works
station.
at this station full time. So
What does he do? Do you mind me asking?
yeah, he's content creation, photography.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Hey, Lee. What do you do, boss?
What's that?
What do
Lee,
you
come
do?
up here.
What do you do?
Oh, I'm a photographer, videographer.
Okay.
I do a lot of automotive.
None of that YouTube crap. Just
None of the YouTube crap. not yet.
okay.
Soon.
Okay.
Soon.
Don't get into it. I'll tell you that. So you actually get hired to do like actual commercials and things like that, or?
Somewhat. I work with a lot of influencers.
I'm sorry.
And
we're a pain.
yeah, they can be.
Yeah, we're a pain.
I can attest they are.
I've
We
enjoyed
are,
that world
100%
so
are.
far, but yeah, so I work with a lot of influencers, a lot of automotive overlanding stuff like that's always been a world that I've enjoyed. So that's. I'm sure he told you like why I had the desk set up is I plan on, wherever I'm at working remote, so I have to have a good setup to do that. And then I like that this flips up too, so I can put my laptop on that.
Well, that's why we invited you in here. You got a killer setup in here. I actually, whatever screen that is, I want a link to it.
I can do that.
Can you
I
send me
do
that link?
100%.
That thing is great. I'm buying it like tomorrow.
Love it.
Yeah, it's expensive, but it looks amazing.
It's worth every penny.
He takes pieces of we put pieces of foam behind it for when he's driving.
Yep.
Secure
okay.
it. So we have pieces of foam that we cut out that just slide here and here and go in the back, and then it just secures it while he's driving.
It secures it, but I doubt it even needs it, really.
I mean, it is kind of shaky if we're when you're driving.
Oh, I see. Okay, I
But,
see what you're saying. Right
so with
there.
that foam, it'll just kind of keep it. And how's it been on the road so far? It's been good?
Oh, it's been fantastic.
Okay, cool.
Awesome.
I'll be honest with you. I need to strap down the PC. I haven't done it yet, but it made it the 3,000 miles that I drove back and forth to St. Louis perfectly fine.
Well,
All right,
thank
get
you
outta
so
here.
much. Thank you, Lee. Nice meeting you, man. I appreciate you showing off your desk setup, man.
Get out of your own
is there
van
any-
if you
is
don't
there-
mind.
How can we find you if you want to plug?
So my Instagram is at Lee_Wallace20. I've also got it on the side of the van. So.
Excellent. I'll check that out, and I'll put a link for everybody in the description below.
Sounds good. Appreciate
All right, no problem.
Thanks,
man.
buddy.
Back to the tour.
Yeah, for sure. So what we did.
I just love meeting the people that have these.
Isn't it awesome?
It's great,
Yeah.
and I always say I tour the person. I don't tour like in your case it's the company.
Yep.
But I always tour the person. The design and everything shines through who you guys are.
We're not paying him to be here either.
He just came on his own.
He literally loved everything so much. He drove from St. Louis on Wednesday.
Okay.
And he drove about 18 hours straight through and got here by that Thursday by 3.
I mean, beautiful thing about a van is like if you get tired, you just pull over and sleep.
Yeah, just pull over and sleep.
Yeah, it's kind of like a trucker. I
Yep.
love it. So Lee's setup, you got this massive counter here.
Yep.
You went with a dual counter.
Yeah,
which I
so well,
love.
this side, so what we do is, since we're fully custom, what we did with Lee is we sat down, kind of had a consultation, and we're like, hey, what's the most important thing to you? And he said, I need to be able to work out of it. So we started with a nice sized desk area, and then we kind of built the van around it and kind of fit where, put things where things could fit. So this side, you'll have your kitchen. So you have, fully retractable faucet connected to the gray water. It does have purified water on it as well. Dual burner induction cooktop, microwave, kind of a tiny,
Hey, it works,
one
though.
dinner plate.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
It's just Lee in here.
It's just Lee. Yeah, and then we got storage up here. Here's our control panel. And we kind of tried the touchscreen control panels. I mean, we ended up fixing more of them than we can even count. So we went to more of a traditional setup. We got Starlink up here as well for him.
I mean, if he's doing all that content, he has to have internet.
Has to have internet, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah. I was surprised. I'd never used Starlink before until this weekend.
Oh,
I had my phone
best thing
connected
ever.
to it. I'm getting like 200 megs per second.
It's crazy, right? I got
Yeah,
the
it's
mini. I
insane.
mean, honestly, it's insane.
Yeah.
Big work setup. Even
Yep.
you guys even put drawers in for him.
Yep, got
Like-
drawers in here that he can keep all his, headphones. Obviously, you got to have your rubber ducky.
Yeah, that's a Jeep thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isotherm fridge. Is it the 130, 85? Which is the
That's the
130?
Cruise 130.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, so it's the 5 cubic foot, tiny little freezer.
It's my favorite fridge, to be quite honest with
It's
you.
it's great. It's a
Yeah.
great size. We're starting to branch out into the Freeline series too.
Okay, yeah.
So the kind of higher
Is it more slim?
slim line.
Yeah.
So
Speaking of slim, we got a shower here. What toilet did you go with?
we're doing a Lavio dry flush toilet right
You
here.
can take it off. We know.
Okay.
I'll put an image up for the dry.
Awesome. Yeah.
of the
So we're doing a
Lavio.
Lavio dry flush toilet. Cool thing about that is you can move it in and out.
Yep.
So if you want the whole shower space.
Yep, I love
Or
it.
it's got that waterproof cover on it, so you can use it as a bench when you're showering.
Is this? And obviously, this is all waterproof in here. But what
Mm-hmm.
did you use? It looks like a slate, but it's not.
This is real tile.
That is real tile.
This is real tile.
Look at that.
And then we use silicone grout so that it's still able to move with the van.
Flexible.
It doesn't crack.
Correct.
Yeah.
Ceiling, is that an acoustic walnut or what is that?
Yeah, so it's an acoustic veneer.
It is. Okay.
Yeah, so it's acoustic veneer. We do all different color wood, all different color backing as well. And the cool thing about it is it's felt. So it acts
love
as
it.
like sound deadening,
Yeah.
extra layer of insulation.
Which probably helps him with his creativity.
Helps him with this, yeah. If I slam the door shut and you could hear how soundproof this thing is over
Should
camera.
we? Can we do this?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's do it. F it. Sorry, guys. We'll be right back. Look at that, huh?
Yeah, so it just sucks the air, or it sucks the sound
Sucks
straight out.
the air out,
Sucks
too.
the air out, yeah.
Would-
Sucks the sound straight out of here, and then I think a lot of that is due to this, but most of it's the Havelock.
And so,
The
okay, so
Havelock, yeah.
behind the walls, you have a Havelock wool insulation.
It's 100% Havelock wool insulation.
Excellent. I toured their facility years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Always have loved Havelock.
Yeah, we tried a lot of different ones, and we've landed on them for probably the past 4 years exclusively.
Excellent. We've got heating covered.
Yep.
With the Aqua Hot. Is it? No. Is it? No. It's
We're using the
it's
S-Bar on this
excuse
one.
me.
Yeah.
So we got the heating covered. We've got toilet and shower covered. We've
Yep.
got cooking covered. Even refrigerator. The bed looks like it's a nice size RV queen.
So it's 60 by 80
60
within
by
the
80.
flare space.
Excellent.
Yeah.
We even have a workstation in here. Cooling. You actually have an air conditioner as well.
Yeah, so we got a Nomadic X2 on this one.
Okay.
I think I went over the battery, right? Yeah, so we got 800 amp hours of lithium control in that AC, easily 4 or 5 days off grid.
Yeah, easily.
Easily.
I mean, and
Yeah.
so did we say solar? The amount of solar we have?
I don't think we got there yet. Yeah, we got 400 watts of solar up on the roof as well.
I mean, that the 400 watts will pretty much keep that air conditioning running in a
Yeah.
hot summer's day. Mm-hmm. You guys are based out of Mesa, and having air conditioning is very essential.
Oh, is it really? I had no idea. Yeah.
The only downfall is with the air conditioning, you need a lot of battery, but you got 800 amp hour, and I'm assuming you have a DC to DC charger.
Yep, yeah. We have a
Okay.
DC to DC charger. We use a 60 amp, but we also have a 100 amp as well that
Wow.
we can do. The solar charger, and then we also have the 30 amp shore power on
Excellent.
the side as well for charging.
Out of all those, it sounds like the DC to DC is the quickest.
It will be.
Yeah,
Or even Leah this morning just turned the vehicle on for about an hour,
and just recharge it
and
up.
we got about 30-40% out of it.
Yeah, I mean, guys, why would he have to do that? Listen, you guys are running this thing all day long for customers.
Yeah.
You obviously are running this. That means your inverter's running at all times.
Yep.
Lights are on 24/7 or the whole time the show is running. You may even have to turn the air conditioner off for them to feel it. So
Yeah.
you guys are using a lot of juice.
Lee's cooking stuff in the microwave.
Lee's been cooking, cooking up a storm for everybody. He left his food in here, poor guy.
Yeah.
Well, all right, where can we find you yet again? I'm going to say Papago, but that's wrong. So
That's fine. Yeah.
Is it Papago?
It's either Papago,
Papago,
or
Papago.
Papago. Either one's fine.
Papago.
We don't mind.
Does it mean anything?
So it's a really, really important mountain range in Arizona.
Okay.
And then you'll find a lot of things named Papago.
Okay.
Because of that mountain range, right by the Phoenix Zoo.
Oh,
So,
great.
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, find us at papagovans.com.
Yep.
Or Instagram, Papago Vans. YouTube, Papago Vans.
You guys got a YouTube channel now, which
Yep.
I was going to say that it's popping off.
Yeah, we actually just started pouring a lot into it over the past few months, and I think we're up to like 25,000 subscribers now within a 4 or 5 month period, which
You'll
is
catch
pretty
me
good.
in no time. This
Yeah.
is great.
Yeah.
All right, guys. My name's Jarrod. Love doing these videos. So thanks to Jeremy again.
Thanks so much.
We'll see you guys next time.
Appreciate it.